Hello everyone, welcome to OpportunityCircle.com. Today we are here with another video to help you reach your dreams. Today we are here to give you a detailed description of the Turkey Success Scholarship. The Turkey Success Scholarship is a scholarship for bachelor's, master's and PhD students. The deadline for this scholarship is 30th November. Turkish universities are recognized across the world and a growing number of programs are taught in English. Tuition fees and cost of living are lower in Turkey as compared to European and other American countries, yet the quality of education is still high. More than 30,000 international students come to Turkey to study. The application portal for the Turkey Success Scholarship opens on 15th October and closes on 30th November, so hurry up and fill in your application. This is a partially funded scholarship and it is open to all nationalities except Turkish nationals. The eligibility criteria for the Turkish scholarship is that the student must have a foreign citizen, and if the student has a dual citizenship, the Turkish Republic is one of their nationalities, they cannot apply for the Success Scholarship program. Students must complete at least one academic year in undergrad, postgrad or doctorate in Turkey, including scientific preparation classes, and undergrad students must have at least a GPA of 3 out of 4, while PhD students must obtain a score of at least 3.5 out of 4 to be eligible. Undergraduate students in medicine, dentistry and pharmacy, as an exception, must have at least 2.5 out of 4 GPA to be eligible. Students who apply for the successful scholarship program must not previously receive or currently benefit from any other scholarship awarded under the Turkish scholarship. In addition, students should not currently benefit from a scholarship granted by any institution or organizations. The benefits of this scholarship: applicants eligible for Success Scholarship will receive the following monthly payments. A payment of 450 liras for university students, which means undergrad students, 600 Turkish liras for graduate students and 900 Turkish liras for PhD students. To apply for this program, scroll down on our Opportunity Circle page and click on Apply Now.
Are you enjoying the video? Do press the like button below and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and latest content. Also join us on our Telegram to get daily opportunities directly in your inbox.
From the Apply Now link, you will be directed to the Turkish Scholarship's official link. In order to start your application, you have to first create an account by clicking on Apply and the login link on the top right corner of the screen. By clicking on this link, you will create an account on the Turkey Scholarship application system. You have to enter your personal information, educational background, social activities, etc. to apply for Turkey Success Scholarship. Student must provide all requested information for the application and must scan and upload all the requested documents to the system in a compatible format, JPEG or PDF, etc. Otherwise, applications will be considered invalid. In the event that any error is detected in the information and documents submitted by the student, their applications will be considered invalid, and in any case, if the scholarship is granted and an error is detected afterwards, the total amount of the paid scholarship will be then collected back from the student according to the relevant rules. Success Scholarship is a partially funded scholarship. It only covers monthly scholarship payments for one academic year in the form of monthly payments until the time a student continues their education. You can check out more scholarship options on the Opportunity Circle page and on the Turkey Scholarship official page. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you like our video and I hope you will check out our page for more videos. Thank you so much.